Okay, what symbol is this? Is it that steep? Look at that warning. Cars might fall. Sorry guys, the battery ran out and I couldn't record the ending part. Oh, there are some bikers there. Some bikers there waving at me. And now we have to go in this road. The roads are nice, but they're very narrow, and that's why it's taking a lot of time now. It's already 10 o'clock. And what they told me was waterfalls left. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ எத்தனை தூரமா?
இங்க ஒரு 10 கிலோமீட்டர் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாவே போங்க. லாஸ்டா ஒரு ஆர்பிஎஸ்ஆர் கோயில் போர்டு வரும். ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா 10 கிலோமீட்டர்.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಕಾ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್? நல்ல இருக்கா ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್? ಫುಲ್ ನೀರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. See guys, I'm trying to manage with my very bad Tamil. There's no network connectivity here. I should have downloaded the offline maps. I forgot yesterday. I decided this in the last moment. I was thinking of going to Belur and Halebeedu, a historical place. But then I put up a poll on Instagram and people voted for Kulli Hills, and hence I am here. Guys, about the waterfalls, Agaya Gangai. It's called Agaya Gangai waterfalls. And one more it's not bad news, but it's going to be difficult getting to that place. We have to get down 200, sorry, not 200, I wish it was 200. We have to get down 2000 steps. Okay, now where do we go? Oh no. Finally, come on, directions. Okay, we need to go this way. Waterfall hinga. Okay, we have to park our bike somewhere over here itself. Illi park pannidinga. Okay, subscribe pannidinga. So guys, this is the waterfall entrance. We have to get down. They're saying 1200, some are saying 2000. We don't know how many steps are there. While coming back up, I can start counting. But my god, 2000 steps. I need to make some calls. We are not going to get any type of signal down there. And I kept my tank bag in the top box, and with these shoes it's more difficult. Let's see, but I have to go down. Let's go. Guys, look at the place. People are getting only Jio network here, no Airtel. For getting down 15 minutes, for coming up 1 hour. We have another 200 steps, I think. Monkeys are also there. I'm sweating like a pig. Climbing up is going to be a wonderful task. How the hell am I going to go here? Alle alla waterfall la? Come on, Gautam, you can do it. One good thing about the shoe is it has some decent grip. Finally! Yes, look at this. So guys, we got new subscribers there. Hi. Thank you. They just subscribed to my channel and they helped me click a few pictures. We'll stay here for another 5 minutes and leave. Guys, we have just come halfway. 540 steps, another 500 to go. Out of energy, so eating this protein bar. So there you go guys, like you saw, it was a crazy adventure. My god, those steps were damn steep and somehow it took me around 45 minutes or something to come up, and this was worth the travel. I know I tell that to all the places that I visit, but seriously, this was the best. I think this was better than Gandikota, and now it's showing 5 hours and 55 minutes to Bangalore. 6:30 is the ETA. So like I was telling, the Ghat section is the one which takes up a lot of time. After that it's gonna be the straight highway. Wow, my riding jacket is completely wet, my pant is wet. Good thing is the shoes are waterproof, so my feet are still dry. And guys, if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And I forgot to record the 70th hairpin bend, so once I go there I'll start. Okay, I think this is the 70th one, hairpin bend, so this is the last one. And now 69 more to go and another 10 kilometers through the village and back on the highway. Oh, getting down is more difficult guys, seriously. Getting down we have to be extra careful, and this is the 67th bend. No wonder it is called the Mountain of Death. I wonder how many people have died here for this to get that name. If you have to tell that in Kannada, it will be Maranada Parvata. Correct alva? Maranada Parvata. Telugulo cheppalante Champe Kondalu. That's the correct translation. Champe Kondalu. That means Mountain of Death in Telugu. So this is the 34th bend out of 70th. 34th out of 70th, and look at this. We have to go somewhere over there, I think. Not sure, still a long way to go. So look at the view one last time. Let's leave now. Last 2 curves to go. This is the second one, and we are going to cross the first one here. So this is the last. 1 out of 750, not 750, 1 out of 70. Google Maps, where are you taking me? While coming, I did not come in this road. I don't know where we are, but it says 1.66 kilometers to NH44. highway NH44. So it's almost 230 kilometers non-stop. No turnings, no lefts, no rights, no deviations, nothing. We have to stay in this highway and continue for another 210 kilometers almost. Okay guys, made a quick stop at Star Biryani. My brother wanted some parcel from here, so made a quick stop, and I also had something to eat. And now we have another 80 kilometers to go. And guys, I'll be ending the vlog here. If you've liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.